The Mach Pass Through is a high-capacity machine well suited to busy catering environments where demand peaks dramatically or is high throughout the day. Manufactured entirely from stainless steel, including stainless steel hinges, filters, wash arms, plugs and jets, the design helps to prevent breakdowns and ensure a durable machine that is well suited to commercial use. An impressive clear entry height of 420mm allows large plates, glasses and even utensils to be easily loaded. Operators can select between wash cycles, and incorporated rinse aid and detergent pumps ensure fully automatic operation. High configurability means that the Mach Pass Through can operate both inline and at 90-degree installations. A wide range of additional tabling, shelving and sink configurations can be added to extend washing and drying spaces. Variable electrics with 3-phase and 30A options available power high-capacity boiler and tank elements to provide near-continuous washing at safe temperatures. Full WRAs approval ensures compliance with waterboard legislation, and an integral brake tank can be fitted for high-risk areas, making the machine particularly popular in hospitals, care homes and nurseries.